From ActionableOps, here are the 5 commands that drive Hermes day to day. Forget the other 40. /new opens a fresh session with a clean history. Optionally name it on the spot, like /new payments refactor, so you can find it later. Alias is /reset. Append now or --yes to skip the confirmation prompt. /resume names a past session and picks it right up where you left off. If you forgot the name, /sessions opens an interactive picker. In the TUI, it is aliased /switch. Arrow keys to navigate. Enter to resume. The full conversation comes back, tools and all. /model. Switch the brain mid-conversation. Type /model Claude Sonnet 4 to swap. Add --global to save it as your default. You can also set short aliases, like /model fave for your go-to model. One gotcha. /model only switches between providers you have already set up. To add a new one, exit and run Hermes model from your terminal. /goal. Set a standing outcome, like fix all the lint errors and pass the tests. Hermes works toward it across turns. An auxiliary judge model decides when it is done. If not, the agent auto-continues. This is the Ralph loop. Defaults to 20 turns, any real user message preempts it, and goal state survives /resume. And every skill installed in your .hermes folder gets its own /command. /skills browse opens the hub. /learn is the fast way to create one. Describe anything, a directory, a URL, or the workflow you just walked through, and the agent authors a skill for you. /plan triggers the plan skill. With write approval on, /skills pending, and /skills approve gate agent skill writes. The big one to try first is /plan. It plans before charging ahead. You can now drive Hermes without opening the docs. For more Hermes how-tos, go to ActionableOps.com.